Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved these beautiful blue chrome French tip nails on some extra long extensions. These are actually press-ons, so if you would like to learn how to do this, please keep watching. So firstly, I have already sized all of the nails to each of my nails. I've applied them to the stand and pre-buffed all of them. I'm just going to go in with a thin layer of my base coat and cure all of the nails for 60 seconds. And of course, I'm going in with one of my absolute favorite Beetle gel polishes in B072. This is like the perfect pink clear base for all French tips. I love this color so much. So I'm going to go ahead and apply 2 coats to the nails, curing in between for 60 seconds before I go on with my next color. So you'll see here, I'm just assuring that my base is nice and clean of all streaks, and I'm also cleaning off the edges of the nails just to make sure that I'm not having that polish running off to the sides, because we want to maintain the shape and the sharpness of the nails. Here I'm going in with the aqua pink gel polish that I also love. This is a more vibrant clear pink, and this is just to bring back like that really healthy look to the nail bed. We're gonna put 1 coat of this on and then cure for 60 seconds. Okay, you guys, and in this next clip, I'm going to be going in with the Creations Blue Glitter Polish. This stuff is so opaque and so beautiful. All of the glitters make it extremely reflective. It's just gorgeous. You don't need a lot of this at all. The opacity is like A1. If you guys want to know where you can get this, just let me know and I will provide a link for you guys as well. First things first, I'm going in with the nails on a nail stand, and then I'm going to basically use that A method that you guys have probably seen all over TikTok and all over YouTube to go in and apply those French tips. It just makes it so much faster and like just so much easier, especially when you're first learning how to do a French tip. This just is like the best guide. And here is another method of me applying the French tip nails, where I like to start off by applying the thin lines along the side, making its way up to the very tip. So I'll do this first before I go across with the smile line, but honestly, the A method works way better. So a good rule of thumb right here, you guys can see that I am measuring my pointer finger and ring finger side by side to make sure that they are the same exact length and have the same depth for the French tip. Now we move on to one of our final steps, which is applying our top coat. This is my favorite top coat so far. Honestly, I use two different ones by the same brand, but this one I feel like just really helps to create a very seamless and very thick, glossy finish. Like if you want your nails to really shine, this is the best top coat to do so. I'm only applying one layer, and that's going to really encap that French tip, making sure that everything is completely finished. I'm really excited. And then after this, I'm going to go in and buff all of the edges of the nails to ensure the nail shape is still very sharp. So again, we want to go in with a nail buffer. It doesn't have to be too aggressive. This one I believe is a 120 over 180, and I'm just really sharpening up those edges, mostly just the side walls, and then at the very tip to ensure that it is even and we don't have like any overflow of gel polish. We want that edge to be nice and clean. And this is me just checking it out, and here's the finished product.